Hello, everybody. Good evening. My name is Honey. I want to start talking about this critical moment that we are, or what we are passing through. We all know what is going on around the world today. Every day we hear different things, different kind of madness notice, different kind of I think the world has passed to be something else. This thing have costing a lot of big headache to everyone. Sometimes when you see some things in your social media, it makes you, if you are not controllable, it makes you go out of yourself. And this thing is very, very bad. So this problem of coronavirus is not only for the problem of coronavirus being faced. Psychologists and everything, hungry and everything is going to follow down. So this thing already started. We just need to be careful about what we read, who we make our friends, and association we accept, because we are in this period. There are still some positive things we have to think of. A lot of positive things. For example, this is the time I always tell you I continue until I see the youth of Europeans change to become a great men and great women tomorrow. That's things you have to schedule out now. For example, I don't like talking about the biblical thing because it's a different thing entirely in my own camp. You can read your Bible. You can keep yourself busy with the Bible. You can even there's this, thank God we are in our in our phones. We can just do the application and read Bible. There are so many things we can learn at this period. Like the other day I was talking about this corona emergency help in Europe, like in Italy. I told everyone that you should go to your Como and negotiate for it. Thank God they have released it even on net. You can see it. I passed it to some people in WhatsApp the other day to see uh, the help they ask. So they even write the numbers and who you are going to contact, all the owners and the community that is taking care of it. You just go to www. Your community and the name of the community you are. Everything will come out. You will just see there. So keep yourself busy. Keep your mindset in positive. Try to do something that will help you to gain better inspiration in life, because all these ones, a lot of different things going out in WhatsApp, what they call it, in webs and all. Some of these things makes you to run down. So we don't want to give all this information to destroy our intelligence. Just give information that is helpful, information that is important. There are a lot of fake news, different things that is happening everywhere. So there are still some truth. For example, the one about the Paris, about the daughter and the journalist. We all see it in the telly at that same day. Everybody was all get mad when he heard it. Everybody was really mad of it. All blacks was not really happy of what they were planning. Where I so much, well, after some 2 days I have to walk inside me, because if I react at that moment I could have come to Nate and start insulting. But no, I give myself the days for me to react in myself. And I look at another way around. I have to thank that same man that come to the whole world wide world and announced it. If we to be, they didn't announce it and they just do it as they have been doing it, a lot of different things we don't know. Those are the things we need to take notice of. You don't react immediately. So you wait and see, think of it twice, and you will find that the answer is so easy. So we thank God that this thing is unaware to everyone. As I thank God, so many people pass it on net, calling each other and telling each other. So everyone is aware, even those villages and all are aware. We know that each one teach one, voices will go around and we tell each other not to do it. Today, the 6th of April, I don't know at the time, but 1 hour ago, there was a notice in Costa d'Avorio where the protesters have destroyed the laboratory down where they used to test this coronavirus. The way they build for testing, for the way they create a lab. The protesting of the Ivory Coast, they have these are actions. These are actions. In Nigeria, they talk, there's no actions. You know, these are Costa d'Avorio have given a very good example to see they don't want that laboratory in their country. So they fought it, and today, so maybe we don't know what's going to be the next thing. I think God will stand by them, they will win the fight. So the same thing we are still going to tell each one of our relationship too. So if with Nigeria should do the same thing, it's even better. But not in a disorganized way, not in a primitive way, coming to net, shouting. There is a way we program things. You can see those people, they take actions, they put the actions in order. I think the government will respect them. The voice of the people is more than the government. So that's what I want to tell you guys. Because this we are really in a critical moment. I call it mad moment. Martin, things happens for something to happen. Things happen for things to change. There are people are saying the Western world, the Europeans, they are bad. That is why they were cursed and all those things. No. At the same time, we need to pray for everyone. We need to pray for this world. We only have only one world. We need to pray for the world, for the Lord to forgive us. And we continue living in it. We don't know what is going to happen, but wherever it is, we ask God for forgiveness. Those people that lost their life, we ask God to forgive them and accept them, everyone. So that is it. That is my word this evening to everyone, because we can see too much noticed, too much noticed, too much. I even heard of what they call it 5G. What does that mean? I think some months ago, someone told me, I know a good friend of mine told me about a story of this solar energy in Nigeria where there is no light. A pastor who told his co-members to take the whole solar energy away from the market because he got a dream that this thing is going to cause fire in the market, will burn their property. Those people, they really went and take everything. They still come back to darkness. Instead of going forward, they go back to darkness. The same thing is going to happen if you people believe in this 5G. It has nothing to do with coronavirus. What they call implantation of 5G, it doesn't have anything to do with coronavirus. Even if you say maybe the radiation is high and all those things, if under electricity, it's always like that. What are we talking about? Look at the petrol. I remember when I was young, in a Warri area, something happened and the village was almost burned down because of petrol. And the same petrol is still in that place. People are still buying it, fetching it. So we don't need to create where there is no answer. Instead of creating economy to grow, we try to come back because someone has put into our ear something wrong. It's very wrong to say is the plantation of 5G is the problem. No, it's not. It's not. On my own knowledge, it's not. I don't believe in that, and it's not. If we're to be that is the problem, Europe have been burned down for long. Some of them say Chinese want to finish all Africa. They just bring problem, or they are infected their mask to bring to all Africa, and make sure you give them corona and kill all Africa. No, please don't grow this racist interest of mindset in you. Don't grow it in you. That is not true. Chinese is not the manifesto. They are not the one who created this problem in the world. They find themselves as a victim into this problem. Though it started with them, but then they said there was a victim in them, and then they say they are the first victims. We are still seeing them, and they are paying it all over the world. We all see what is happening. They are becoming so restricted in everywhere. So we don't create more problem when there is no problem. They say when you are fighting evil with evil, we go nowhere. We have to fight evil with love. We have to use our mindset to fight evil. So if we don't sit down and think twice, we fall victims just the way they want it. So when we are rough, when everything is rough, when we become another small brain, then they can manipulate us. And the thing we ask not to do, it will be done in a plain ground without no disturbing. These are one of the things we need to take very serious. All these, some of them say they are going to force the vaccine in us. No, nobody will force you. It's not true. Not that they will come to your house and pick you and force it in you. But another thing you don't know, nothing is not possible in Nigeria, especially in Nigeria, real Africa, where they can do all these kind of things, especially the politics we are facing today. You see how people have been lavishing even in Africa till today. Example of those, what they call it, those killers that have destroyed so many villages. So we can see even so many things, like those people that pass through the land to Libya, they know the life that lose. Those people that be in Libya, they know the life that lose. Those people that go to the river, they know the life they lose. So Africa have been losing everywhere because we don't sit down and use our mindset. We just conclude and start bringing information that will not help. No, it's not so. We need to sit down and look for solution. We have to talk about the solution. If we talk about the problem, we talk about the solution. We discuss it together. We put it in action. No saying it. You hide. The other one hide. Everybody cannot go and hide on the ground. We are living human. We are living on the earth. So they see us. So the only way we can fight it, we need to be a little bit more intelligent to fight back and to pray for God to back us. That is one of the important things we need to do, because this a fight is a fight that we are not seeing. I always say coronavirus see everyone, but we are not seeing it. Only on the micros they see it, and the doctors. So, and those people that even see them, you see how most of them are people lavishing. The doctors are dying everywhere. All the nurses are sick. Even my ward, almost everyone is at home. So everybody are sick with the lungs. So you can see that this thing is going to create a lot of problem. So by fighting ourselves with different fake news, putting our madness and not meditating on something important to do, or not bringing it in a proper way, that cannot help anyone. I'm not saying that you should stay at home and just pray miracle will happen. We should stop using that ideology. As I don't not it's a good idea, But at the same time, I say, heaven help those who help themselves, So we need to put something in actions. It's not a time we start talk, God, God, God. Yes, prayer, 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 without actions. These are the time we need to do that. But we need to do it in a proper way. We asked for help. We don't need this thing in Africa. We have to restrict it back. Fine. We tell them no and no. But don't bring yourself into problem. This is the time you have to meditate on something important. Think of your life and pray for those that lost their life. That's the thing we need to do now. There's a word that when we entangle ourselves with false news, with something that continue happening every day, you see, we tie our life down with notice that it's of no use. When we are inside now, a lot of us find it idleness, staying inside, not doing anything, coming here and coming there, doing nothing at all. It makes you bored. That is why I told you there are so many things you can do at home. So many things. This is time for you to think of your life, your future, what you want to become. There are so many things you can do, whatever you are. Thank God, even those people, the farmers and all, it's not locked down for the farmers. It's not locked down for those people, food assets. So there are so many things we can put our hand in. We just need to protect ourselves and keep ourselves safe. If you don't want to use the mask that you are afraid, you can use your sharp. There are so many things people have created different, use clothes, these are materials to create different kind of mask. We can use that because we don't really know how these things is transmitting. It's not only human to human. This thing is not only to human. When we are saying it that it is on the air, people doesn't believe. Everybody inhale it. We inhale it's only when you have problem and it become another thing in you. So that is it. You can see that it's not only killing the old people, even the young people, even babies. Because when they inhale it, they got problem. So it's not, you can see even places that they don't even expect it. It's even in those places. So how did you expect when Chinese is not even in that land? How did you expect that they go there? So please use our common sense. Don't allow a negative thought to be in you, all those things, or hatred, those things. No, it doesn't solve the problem. What solve the problem is just our arrangement. Look, I love to use this symphony of a spider, example of a spider. A spider, it creates a net. Those nets he created for him to trap other animals, to kill other animals for him to eat. But if it is not careful, you will see that he has trapped himself down, that somebody else will come and eat him. So that is a very good message, and we should think twice and put it in our daily life. We don't need to propagate what is not true. We only need enforcement, not destruction. We only need encouragement. We need togetherness, unities, and talk in one voice. That is only when we can become something. Like what happened in Costa d'Ivoire today, fighting and make sure they protest and burn that place down or destroy that place down, because they have blocked it in net. They say they are going to bring it out after some days, maybe. So if they did not do that, if they are not in group, they cannot do that. So the same thing. But I'm not saying that Africa should go and be fighting. No, I'm saying when we say something, we put it in action, but use our brain and put it into the godly part with our senses, because we are all matured enough. I love you all. This is my advice for you this evening. Good evening. Ciao.